Got a new knife in the mail. Let's check it out. From KIZER, my first KIZER. Pretty standard box. Paid $30 for it, so I didn't expect much out of a box. Ooh, nice cloth, some other informational stuff. Great. There it is. Simple bag. It's the KIZER Domin with micarta handles, stainless steel liners, N690 blade. Ooh, kicks out. Really fine keen edge. Love that. I love the design. First impressions, I think it would be a great slicer. I love how the simplicity of the design. 2 screws back here, 1 for the pivot, and no backspacer. It's actually the thumb stud itself, which makes it a little bit more streamlined, and other people have said it also makes it stronger. Simple liner lock, easy access to it. Just thumb stud deployment. Yep, middle finger flickable. Great little knife from KIZER. Got it on sale through eBay, through their Mojave Outdoor eBay store for $30. I think normally at MSRP is upwards of 40 or 50 maybe, not quite sure. Centering is immaculate. Blade to handle ratio is also very good. I just love the sleek design of the handle. That's partly why I was interested. My reference CDC, Benchmade 940. Very sort of similar design, size, and idea behind the knives. 940 is probably a little slimmer in the blade, obviously, but maybe that's a little bit of a drawback on it. And also a more unique design in that little more contoured handle. It's got the reverse Tonto tip, obviously higher end materials as well, and that beautiful axis lock, but doesn't deny the value of this for a fraction of the price. In terms of ergonomics, very good for my large size hands. Very neutral handle. There is like the liner peeking out behind the micarta, which creates a very interesting look. But I don't know, it is apparent when you grip it, but not in such an uncomfortable way. So I wouldn't foresee it being an issue. I love this texture of the micarta. It feels grippy, while still, feeling obviously like a stabilized material. The detent is super snappy, and you can see inside there's actually drilled out holes, milling for weight reduction. They've also cut out this part back here, the liner, to make sure that there's not too much metal that you're pushing against for the spring. I believe it's a T8 hardware here, there as well. Excellent little design. I just love the color scheme, the blackened blade and the blackened micarta handle. The pocket clip is not deep carry, unfortunately, but it does ride pretty low, which is not bad. There's a bit of a pretty low, which is not bad. There's a pretty small lanyard hole, maybe just a decorative one more so than anything else. The clip is reversible. Again, it's N690 blade seal, about 3.5 inches. Feels like it'll be great slicer. Look how small, keen of an edge it gets down to. Full flat grind. Maybe a little bit of a almost stone washing on that blade. Great design, execution. My first KIZER did not disappoint. Thanks for watching.